Whoa, it worked. I'm actually in the future.
Hey, look, it's Isaac Newton.
Whoa! Did you notice how he just came out of nowhere?
Let's go interview him.
Who are you guys?
We're news reporters for NBC.
What do you want?
We were just wondering if we could ask you a few questions, considering you did invent the laws of motion.
Alright, but quickly. I only have a couple minutes before my benzoyl chlorophyte runs out and my time machine will not work anymore.
Alright, sir. We promise it won't take long.
Alright, make it snappy.
First off, where were you born and when?
I was born on January 4th, 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England.
Alright, what do you think was your greatest discovery of all?
Well, personally, my best one would have to be my laws of motion.
Can you go more in depth, please? Just tell us what they are and how they work.
Well, of course I can. First off, there are 3 laws of motion in total, so I'll start with the first one. The first law of motion says that any object in motion will continue to move in the same direction and speed unless forces act on it.
Ah, interesting. Please tell us more.
That means if you kick a ball, it will fly forever unless some sort of forces act on it. As strange as this may sound, it's true. When you kick a ball, forces start to act on it immediately. These include resistance or friction from the air and gravity. Gravity pulls the ball down to the ground and the air resistance slows it down.
Awesome! What's the second law?
The second law states that the greater the mass of an object, the more force it will take to accelerate the object. There's even an equation that says force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. This also means that the harder you kick a ball, the further it will go. This seems kind of obvious to us, but having an equation to figure out the math and science is very helpful to scientists.
Alright, what's the third law? They are all so interesting.
The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that there are always 2 forces that are the same. In the example where you kick the ball, there is the force of your foot on the ball, but there is also the same amount of force that the ball puts on your foot.
Wow! That's so interesting. It's a shame you need to go.
Can we go with you?
No, unless you want to roam with dinosaurs. Haha.
It's alright. We'll travel somewhere else later.
Well, I have to go. It was a pleasure meeting you guys.
Same.
Well, I'm off. So long.
Fine. Bring it over here.